Choose boring technology. Welcome to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Thomason, and here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps, as well as to build custom software solutions for companies. I do a lot of work as a fractional CTO with over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development. I've mastered the art of transforming technology teams and products. So in a world obsessed with the latest and greatest, it's easy to get distracted by the shiny new technology market. But here's a little secret. The best technology for your business might just be the most boring. Let's dig into why today. So I know a lot of times it's easy to get distracted with new shiny technology, but I'm going to tell you a little secret today from my experience. The best technology for your business might just be the most boring. Why? Because boring technology is usually reliable, well understood, and battle tested. It's not about being flashy. It's about getting the job done efficiently and effectively. When you're building something that needs to last, choosing the tried and true can save you from countless headaches down the line. Now, there's a reason why seasoned developers often stick to what works. When you choose boring technology, you're not just picking something that's reliable, you're picking something that has stood the test of time. This tech has been debugged, documented, and deployed in real-world scenarios, meaning fewer surprises and smoother operations. It's like choosing a hammer over the latest multi-tool. It might not have all the bells and whistles, but it's perfect for driving nails. In development, sometimes simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Now, I'm not saying you should never innovate or experiment with new technologies. Far from it. But there's a balance to be struck between innovation and practicality. The key is to know when to adopt something new and when to stick with what's proven. Just because something is new doesn't mean it's better for your specific use case. Remember, your goal isn't to be cutting edge for the sake of it. It's to build something that works and keeps working. Now, if you want to stay cutting edge, make sure you watch our previous videos because we have hundreds of free coding samples that are all provided to you here free of charge. So check out our video and make sure you like and subscribe. Now, one of the biggest advantages of boring technology is the vast community support that comes with it. Popular, well-established technologies have large communities, extensive documentation, and plenty of resources to help you out when you hit a snag. This means you're not reinventing the wheel every time you run into a problem. Chances are someone else has already solved it. This kind of support can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. So in contrast, the latest, trendiest tech might leave you stuck without a lifeline when things go wrong. Now, stability is another key factor. New technologies are often evolving, which can mean bugs, incomplete features, and unexpected behavior. When you choose boring technology, you're opting for something stable, predictable, and less likely to throw a wrench in your plans. This is especially important when you're working on mission-critical projects where downtime or unexpected issues can be costly. In the world of development, boring often equals stable, and stable is exactly what you want. Now, cost-effectiveness is another big win for boring technology. With newer tech, you often pay a premium, whether it's in terms of licensing, learning curve, or ongoing maintenance. Established technology, on the other hand, tends to be cheaper and more accessible. You can find plenty of developers who are already familiar with it, meaning you don't have to invest much in training or recruitment. Plus, the operational costs are often lower as these technologies are optimized and well supported. So by choosing boring technology, you're not just saving your headache, you're also saving a ton of money. Now, speaking of saving money, for free we offer you hundreds of code samples, so make sure you check out our previous code samples. So let's talk about the speed of implementation. Boring technology, because it's well understood and documented, allows you to move faster. There's no need to spend months learning the ins and outs of a brand new framework or a tool. You can get straight to work building and deploying your solution. This speed can be a huge competitive advantage, allowing you to bring to market products faster than those who are bogged down in the complexity of the latest tech. So in business, time is money, and boring technology often gets you where you need to get quicker. Now, one of the most overlooked benefits of boring technology is the ease of hiring. If you're using established tech, it's much easier to find developers with the right skill set. You don't have to search high and low for someone who's familiar with the latest cutting-edge tool because your boring tech has been around for long enough, people know how to use it. This can make scaling your team faster and more efficient. Plus, it reduces the risk that your project will grind to a halt if a key developer leaves, as replacements are easier to find. So there's also a psychological benefit to choosing boring technologies, and it will reduce stress. With new tech, there's always the fear that something will go wrong, that you'll hit an unexpected roadblock, or that the tech will become obsolete before you even finish your project. Boring technology, by contrast, offers peace of mind. You can focus on building great products without constantly worrying about whether your tool holds up. In the fast-paced world of development, that kind of reliability is invaluable. So in conclusion, choosing boring technology might not sound exciting, but it's often the smartest decision you can make. It's about picking tools that are reliable, well-supported, and cost-effective, allowing you to focus on what really matters, delivering value to your users. By resisting the temptation to chase after every new trend, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. So the next time you're faced with a technology choice, I would recommend choosing the boring, and because it just can help you better in the long run. Now, what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I'd love to have a great discussion, so make sure to leave a comment down below and make sure to like and subscribe. Here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps. So reach out because we'd love to help you. If you want to learn to code, we can largely get most people applied for through the government and help get your tuition covered. So check out startuphack.com and reach us at info@startuphack.com because we'd love to help you out. And we'll catch you guys next time.